مرحبا، أنا صفا الجبوري.
وأنا محمد الكسواني.
حبينا نسوي ميك أوفر للغرفة مالتنا.
My name is Reem. I'm an interior designer at IKEA UAE.
My dream was to have neutral in colors, يعني كل الأشياء اللي بيها beige and white.
I took the time to really understand what they really needed and what they liked.
يعني إذا أحد إجا للبيت ودخل للغرفة راح يحس إنه it's more of my personality.
The mood lighting create a relaxing atmosphere that's perfect for them.
Everything is organized, so it organizes your thoughts somehow.
It makes you sleep faster and sleep in a calm way, and then you wake up happier.
The IKEA Plaza wardrobe system was a game changer. It's super flexible and practical.
So this is the part where you can put all your pants, skirts, shorts, whatever.
The biggest challenge was fitting in all the storage they needed without making the room feel cramped.
الستورج كان عندي كتير مهم. Somehow they managed إنه يعملوا storage بطل فيه شيء مبين.
Let me show you my favorite part of the room. Ta-da! It's simple, neat, very natural in colors, exactly what I like it.
الموضوع كتير أبسط ما بتتخيل. ترفع التليفون, you book IKEA Interior Design Service team. They bring your vision to reality.